pink tutu at camp. We're open every single day over Easter weekend.
Sydney's furniture and bedding, unbelievable bargain. Now only $149, only 100 of this price. In a spring just $89. A Timber Queen timber and metal bed frame, an unbelievable $49. The right queen size twice in a spring sofa bed, unbelievable $7.99. Limited stock, when they're gone, they're gone. Sydney's furniture and bedding, all these unbelievable items at 8 stores in store now. Stock is limited, so hurry in or you'll miss out.
Counting down from 500 to 1. 500 to 1. The greatest classic hits of all time. This is Gold 103.
I'm having a hiccup.